Hello everyone, welcome to Short Stories. Before listening to the story, gently close your eyes. Recall every moment of your day today, from the very beginning till now. Today's story is the same. The name of the story is The Wish of the Farmers. In old times, two farmers lived in a village, and both of them were very poor. They had little land to work on and worked hard in it to take care of their own and their family needs. Suddenly, after some time, both of them died on the same day. Yamraj, god of death, took both of them together to God. God asked them, "What was missing in your life?" Hearing this, one of the farmers said angrily, "You gave me a very painful life. You didn't give me anything. All my life I had to work in the fields like a bull. Whatever I earned would be spent on just feeding myself and my family. I couldn't buy and wear good clothes, nor could I feed my family good food. And whenever I was able to make some extra income, someone would come and take away all. I had nothing left with me." After listening to him, God again asked, "What do you want now? What should I make you in your next life?" Listening to this, the farmer replied, "God, do something so that I never have to give anything to anyone. I only receive money and things from all sides." The farmer became silent. After saying this, God said, "Okay, you can go now. I will give you the life you have asked for." He left. Now it was the turn of another farmer. God asked him, "What was missing in your life?" The farmer folded his hands in front of God and said, "You have already given me everything. You gave me a good family. You gave me some land. You gave me and my family plenty of food to eat. I and my family never slept hungry. There was only one shortcoming in my life, which I regretted my whole life and still today. Sometimes, hungry or thirsty, people used to come to my door to ask for food, but I was not able to give them anything due to lack of food, and they had to return hungry from my door." God heard him and asked, "What do you want now? What do you want to be in your next life?" The farmer pleaded with God, "God, do something so that no one will ever go thirsty or hungry from my door." God said, "Okay, you can leave now. You will be given what you asked for." Both of these farmers were born in the same village on the same day. They became adults. The farmer who said that he wanted to get money from all sides and wouldn't have to give anything to anyone, he became a beggar in the village. Now he didn't have to give anything to anyone. Anyone who passed by him used to give him money and things. On the other hand, the farmer who didn't ask God for anything except that there would be never a day when anyone has to leave his house thirsty and hungry, became the richest man of that village. There are two aspects of life, positive and negative. It depends on your thinking whether you see things positively or negatively. It is often seen that mostly people always like others, things, or more, and because of this, they are not able to live their life well either. If you want to live a good life, think good. Do not count just the shortcomings of your life. Rather, enjoy what God has given and always have a sense of gratitude and service towards others. That's all for today's story. Thank you, everyone.